Alright, this guy is just going to be treated as a speed drill. Um, and that's right, I suggested just take bar 1, start with eighth notes, take it as far as you can, aim for at least, actually let's make this the rule. If you can't get it to 250 or above, don't worry about the rest. So that's step 1. Get the highlighted bar with eighth notes past at 250 or above, and then start working on the whole thing. And then maybe just try 2 bars at a time, and then like 3 bars at a time, and then 4 bars at a time. So just add a little bit as you go and see how that turns out for you. But I will go ahead and demonstrate this at different speeds here. The whole thing, 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. The usual 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bonus pinch harmonics to make yourself feel extra metal if you like. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one thing I'm noticing I'm doing with my left hand, even a little bit with the right, I want to palm me a little bit more when I'm at that speed. And I'm being more flat-fingered with my left hand than usual. Like, if I was staying on just the 2 adjacent strings, then I wouldn't do it so much. But because I'm changing the strings there, it's like I kind of want to use my thumb a little bit and just kind of do this, kind of rotate back and forth here to help with the muting. So maybe try that, like actually start to rotate your hand back and forth like this and see if it can help you mute things well. I'll do another at 140 just in case you want to compare it to what you're doing if you get up to this. And if not, that's totally fine. If you do, hell yeah. There we go, 140, 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was my concentration face, because I required some concentration. Alright, this guy, just a regular rhythm type thing. Just go up, work her up to 120. And you're good. So here it is at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. $90. 1, 2, 3, 4. As close to a dive bomb I can do. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. professional, but fun. And this guy, 140 is the new speed goal for the Legato. So pay extra careful attention. So when you're doing your pull-offs, remember, get all 3 fingers down as soon as you can. Don't walk it back. We want to think of it like you're switching a chord, okay? So especially at those slow speeds, be very deliberate. This way it'll carry over into the faster speeds and allow for even faster pull-offs. Of course, keeping the rhythm correct throughout this is also going to be a challenge. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is at 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. I forgot how I ended it. Take 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you find, as you get faster with this, if you start questioning if you are in time anymore, you can chunk it and like maybe play that a few times and make sure you're landing on that 5th note in a row there. So like, so yeah, just 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, da da da. You can also just if the picking helps you better. I find that doing the little hammer-ons like that's a little bit more in line with doing the whole thing, because then it's a different feel picking everything versus doing the legato instead. I mean, so try either one. So like pick the 16th notes for a bit there, just to really lock in that da 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 da, or just do that little chunk thing that da 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 da, and then go from there. So if you have any questions, let me know, and yeah, I'll see you again next week.